This test was conducted on October 21st. Indeed, it differed from previous tests in that the missile flew for many hours, covering a distance of 14,000 kilometers. And that's not the limit, using nuclear power. The Burevestnik's technical characteristics allow us to use it with guaranteed accuracy against heavily protected targets at any distance. Moreover, during the test, the missile performed all the required vertical and horizontal maneuvers, thereby demonstrating its high capabilities in evading anti-missile and air defenses. The whole world is talking about the Oreshnik missile. And take a look at its materials. The temperatures of these warheads are like the surface of the sun. Since the 1980s, Russia has been developing gliding aircraft under the name of Avangard. The temperatures of Oreshnik warheads are comparable to those on the sun, slightly lower than its surface. There were plans to build such systems in the 1980s, though it was impossible due to the lack of materials. That was the challenge. It flies and melts like an ice cream, and the control signal still gets through. This highlights the advancements made in developing new materials.
Все наши планы по созданию перспективных...
All our plans for creating advanced weapon systems, for developing the defense industry complex, for supplying the Russian army and navy with modern equipment and armaments, are being implemented. I refer to the creation and deployment on combat duty of the latest Avangard strategic missile complex. We have created, placed on duty, and begun serial production of the Oreshnik intermediate-range missile complex, and equipped our intercontinental ballistic missiles and submarine-launched missiles with modern counter-missile defense complexes. This year, we will put the Sarmat heavy intercontinental missile system into trial combat duty, and next year, into combat duty. Finally, as for the reason and occasion we are gathered here today, Russia now has cruise missiles of unlimited range, Burevestnik, and the Poseidon unmanned underwater system with nuclear power units. All our plans are being realized.